Okay, we got interrupted, but that's okay. We can have multiple clips. So far we've got 118 mils of hydrogen peroxide in there. We're about to put 10 drops of my favorite food coloring, which is blue, into the bottle. Okay. Let's just put this somewhere so that makes sense. There you go. Okay. About 10 drops of the food coloring. You can't see, but my hands are up here, pouring into the top. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Okay. So you see how it's got a really nice deep blue color. That's what you want to see if you're doing this at home. All right. And the next step tells us add about 1 tablespoon or 15 mils. Okay. So what I'm going to do, since I don't have a lot of time, is going to wash this out, the container I put my hydrogen peroxide in, and add about 15 mils of liquid dish soap into this bottle. Okay, so I've got my dish soap over here. Okay. And just like I told you guys in the lab, what you want to do with really thick liquids like dish soap or syrup or anything like that is pour a little bit extra just so that you have the right amount going in to the container instead of getting it stuck in there. So it's asking for 15 mils, so I'm just gonna fill it up to the 20 marker right there. Okay, so let's do that right now. And about 20. I'll double check, we're a little bit low, just a little bit more. And it could be over 20, it's not that big a deal. So as long as it's still below the 20 when we remove it later on. Okay, so it's just shy of 20. I'm gonna do a little bit more so we get up to our 20. Okay, again, it's just because the liquid is thick and it's gonna kind of stick to the inside of the glass. That's called the adhesive property of matter, by the way. All right, so I'm gonna stick this in the bottle. I apologize for my shaky cinematography. But I don't have a whole lot of time until I got to go be at the sidewalk, so I'm doing this right now for dismissal. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's see about how much is left in our thing. Not a lot. Okay, we're good. That's probably around 5 mils left over. All right, next. In a separate small cup, I have mixed, it says on step 4, combine the warm water, and yeast. So our yeast package was right here. That's what baker's yeast looks like. It's this sort of powdery stuff. It's a fungus, and mix for about 30 seconds. All right, so I didn't really do that earlier. I did mix for a little bit. It being warm really just helps the yeast to do its yeasty job. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop this video here. I'll mix some more yeast and then I'll come back and finish this up in a little bit. All right, I'll be back.